long time ago, I worked for a tree service and they introduced me to a concept called combat parking. Now what it is you always want to park your vehicle in a manner that you can quickly escape the situation and drive straight to the hospital when shit goes sideways. So in this case, I'm building a trail going that way. Now I know that way is blocked. So I got my ATV close by and I will quickly turn it around because that way is clear. So if something were to happen, I can quickly throw on some bandages and drive myself out the fastest way possible. I'm in a situation here where I'm a half-hour drive away from a hospital. So any minute gained could possibly save my life. Always leave your keys in your vehicle, doesn't matter what it is, if it's a one-ton truck or an ATV like this. Make sure you got a quick escape plan. That's all the advice I got for today.